Pardon me, let me just admit a few people. So welcome everyone to tonight's session. Sorry, just admitting one more person. On juvenile court, child welfare, and the CASA role, judges' perspectives. I will introduce Jodie Oshana, who is a member of our board and will be the moderator tonight. And then she will lead the discussion with our distinguished panel. Again, pardon me for pausing to interrupt additional people. And Jodie Oshana is a member of the faculty at both UConn and Quinnipiac universities. She has both a PhD in human development and a law degree and extensive experience as a practicing attorney for a decade, primarily in the areas of family and juvenile law. And among the courses that she has developed and teaches are two new courses at Quinnipiac School of Law. One is a seminar that introduces law students to the use of social science research in the context of family and juvenile courts, including understanding social science research methods and an intensive examination of child and adolescent development research findings and application of such research in legal settings. The other course examines the problem of racial disproportionality and disparate outcomes in the child welfare and juvenile justice systems. So Jodie is an expert on the best interest of the child standard. She's written a thesis on that topic, and I think it's very appropriate that she moderate today's session. So I will turn it over to Jodie Comer Oshana, with thanks as well to the other members of tonight's distinguished panel. Jodie.
Thank you, Josiah. Can you hear me? Okay, make sure my mic is working. Okay. Sorry about that. Thank you so much for that introduction, Josiah. And I'm so excited to be here and really honored to be in the presence of our three distinguished speakers that we have this evening. We will hear from three different judges. The first being Judge Dawne Westbrook, who was appointed to the Connecticut Superior Court in 2009. Judge Westbrook received her Bachelor of Arts in English and Philosophy from Fisk University in Tennessee. She graduated from Vanderbilt University School of Law in 1995 and was admitted to the Connecticut Bar in 1999. She's been a judge since 2009 and has served in numerous courthouses, including Rockville Courthouse for Juvenile Matters, which is where she remains today. In September of 2017, she became the administrative judge for the Tallinn Judicial District and was named the Chief Administrative Judge for Juvenile Matters effective September of 2021. As a judge, she chairs the Judges Education Committee and serves as a member of the Client Security Fund, the Connecticut Bar Foundation, Lawyers Concerned for Lawyers Board of Directors, and the Judicial Media Committee. Judge Westbrook remains active with non-judicial organizations as well, including as a board member for the Harriet Beecher Stowe House, vice president of the Farmington Valley Links Incorporated, a member of the NAACP, a member of the Greater Hartford chapter of Jack and Jill of America, and a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. Our second speaker will be Joette Katz, who's now a partner at Shipman & Goodman, but for 8 years was the commissioner of the Connecticut State Department of Children and Families, where she was responsible for children in the department's custody and under its guardianship, as well as overseeing the department's services for children and families throughout the state in need of assistance. Earlier, for some 18 years, she was an associate justice on the Connecticut Supreme Court. In addition, she served as an administrative judge for the state appellate system and as a judge for the Connecticut Superior Court. She was the Chief of Legal Services for the State Division of Public Defender Services and has been a presenter at national conferences on child welfare and has received distinctions including the Outstanding Leadership Award from Lawyers for Children for America, and has also taught at all three law schools in Connecticut and is an honors graduate of Brandeis University and the UConn School of Law. Our third speaker will be Judge Angela Robinson, who was a Connecticut Superior Court judge for 20 years before retiring. She currently serves as the Waring and Carmen Partridge Faculty Fellow and Distinguished Practitioner in Residence at Quinnipiac University School of Law, where she teaches critical race theory, evidence, and alternative dispute resolution. She has expanded her curriculum to introduce undergraduates, as well as law students and lay people to critical race theory and what it is and what it is not. She applies her understanding of and experiences with the legal system to promote and facilitate fair, equitable, and peaceful resolutions. She's a James W. Cooper Fellow of the Connecticut Bar Foundation and serves on several boards. She is also counsel with Halloran and Sage, where she has a mediation practice. And she also has a private business where she provides diversity-related coaching and consulting. Judge Robinson earned her bachelor's from Rutgers University and her JD from Yale Law School. So with that, I would like to introduce Judge Westbrook to kind of start us off.